Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Where did you go for your last holiday?
I go to...
No, not go. Where did you go? I went, past tense. Yeah.
Sorry. I went to Murray.
Listen, first say, for my last holiday, I went to Murray, and then explain. So, where did you go for your last holiday?
About my last holiday, I went to Murray, and it is a quite different place from other places. It is very relaxable place. You can able to relax, and the environmental nature provides you an opportunity.
Okay, instead of defining Murray as a place, you should focus on your holiday. The question is not about place, the question is about holiday. So if you describe the place, your answer is irrelevant. Okay, let's go on. Do you like holidays?
Yes, I do like holidays, because holidays provide us the opportunity to relax our mindset. Holidays provide also the opportunity to meet our relatives as well as with our friends, and it's quite funny environment, and all the stuff is good for our mental health.
Okay, try to use some other words as well instead of it's. That is what we call repetition. Okay, never use any structure repetitively. Let's go on. Which public holiday do you like the most?
I like the most Eid al-Fitr holidays, because it provides us a
They provide, holidays plural, they provide.
As they provide us a good opportunity to relax our minds and to meet with our friends, as well as the decorating houses and the lights also is a site of or a symbol of meeting with new peoples.
Okay.
And
now you're going on and on and on and on. You just need to go and come back. Go and come back, right? Topic is, which public holiday do you like the most? So therefore, this is my favorite public holiday. For these reasons, I love this holiday, something like that, okay? Don't just go on and on and on. Just go and come back. What do you do on holidays?
I mostly relax at home, and after that I love to watch some movies, and after that it is very good to meet with some friends, and we do some fun also.
We have some fun.
We have some fun.
Okay, that's good. You just need to organize your ideas, and you have the tendency to go beyond the topic to make your answer irrelevant. That is why I would advise you, just explain a little and then come back to the question and keep the question in mind. That's important, right?
Okay.
Thank you.